35.
Well, that's bad since I'm 31. That's bad. Alright, okay, there was 4 questions here for you to do. Do you have your questions?
Yes.
Doing the hotels and the things. You know, this week is very busy.
Yeah, I get that. I know that feel. Alright, questions. 1.
It's not.
Come on. Oh, of course I'd have to put it in.
What's the common rent of the apartment?
It depends on the size of the apartment. How big?
Two-bedroom apartment.
2 bedroom? 2 bedroom now? City centre?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say that could be, could be like 1,200,
1,500.
1,500. It could be, see, it depends how big it is too. A small one,
It's not that big.
it's all relative though, relative to other apartments. 1,500? That's a lot. It's a lot.
And you can find in 30 kilometers or in 400 or 500.
Yeah, but 30 kilometers away.
Yeah.
This is the thing.
And you live 30 kilometers.
Yeah, but it's not an apartment, it's a house.
I can get a house.
Okay. So the first one here. A 1 ohm resistor is connected in parallel to 2 ohm resistor, and this is connected to 3 ohm resistor. So you have this. This is 1 ohm, 2 ohms, and then 3 ohms. Yep. And that's a 12-volt battery or cell. Find all the currents. Okay, so we have I1, I2, I3, I1. So the junction rule says I1 minus I2 minus I3 equals 0. And then the loop rule says 12 minus I2 1 minus I1 3 equals 0. And then another loop around with the 2, 12 minus I3 2 minus I1 3 equals 0. Is that okay? Yeah? Is that okay for people? Yeah. So I can put these together. So if I minus them, I'll have 2I3 minus I2 equals 0. No, actually I don't know if I should minus them. Let me go back a step. I think I do need substitution. I think I need to put this one in here and this one in here as well. So I can say that 12 minus 3I1 equals I2, and I need an I3. 12 minus 3I1 over 2 equals I3. Okay. Is that okay? Can you see what I did from here and here? Yeah? So
shouldn't be the I, both should be the I2, so you can find I1.
there's no I2 in the second one. I'm going to take these two and put them in now, into here. So I get I1 minus I2 minus I3 equals 0. Multiply by 2. So that's 8I1 equals 36. So that's 18 over 4, 9 over 2. 4.5 amps? Is that right? No. 36 over 8 is 4.5, is it?
Yeah.
I feel like that's too big. Let me just double check that. Minus 24 plus 6. Oh, sorry, mistake. Should be a 3 here. Which changes this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 36 over 11. 3.27 amps. Now, KJ, do you mind? Can you put 3.27 here to give me I2? And then, Grace, can you put 3.27 here to give me I3? Yep. Okay. First answer. 1.10.
All the maths and
Mm-hmm.
the words limits around could cross 600.
600, I think is what I said, isn't it?
306 over line is 680.
And what did I say?
300 to 600.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
That's fine.
Oh yes. Yeah. Really, as long as it's under 1,000.
Oh, then that's fine.
Yeah. Okay, can I go down? No, not George? Okay. I'm going. Can we listen? You cold, Amanda? Cold?
Yes.
You too? You look cold. Yeah. I'm going to change number 2 a little bit. Now, if you did it using the numbers here, that's fine. I think I said here 2 volt and 3 volt, yeah? Yes? I'm going to change that to 2 and 2. If you did it with 2 and 3, that's okay. You still get the same idea. But it's not realistic. These parallel cells should have the same voltage in problems like this. But if you did with 2 and 3, it doesn't matter. In number 2, I said 2 and 3 volts, yes? I'm going to do 2 and 2. If you did 2 and 3, that's okay. There's no problem. My one, I'm going to change it to 2 and 2. Okay?
I have question.
About what?
Question 1.
Yes, what's your question?
Why is tau divided by 3 I1?
This one here?
No.
Here?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
This one came from here. and this one came from here.
And how do you get?
And this one here,
No.
this one,
No.
this one,
No,
this
not
one?
the red
The large one.
this one.
Yeah.
Because I take this and put it here, here and here. This is the junction rule, loop rule, loop rule.
We always need only 2 loops, right?
Usually, yeah.
Only 3 equations.
Yes. Okay, number 2. You have 2 volt, 2 volt, and then 10 ohms, 2 and 2. I'm changing it a little bit, but it's the same idea. So here we have I1, I2, I3. So we get I1 plus I2 minus I3 equals 0. And then if I use a loop starting at the 2, I get 2 minus 10 I3 equals 0. And if I start at the bottom, I get the same thing, don't I? 2 minus 10 I3 equals 0. Yeah?
We started I2,
Huh?
I1.
This one?
We started with I1.
Here?
No, the first one.
Here? I did I1 plus I2 minus I3 equals 0.
No, that's fine.
Is that okay? Yeah. And this one here, I went on the top. And then this one here, I went on the bottom. But what's the problem here?
We need to find I2 as well.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know anything about I2, do I?
No.
Which is the problem.
GO2.
No, but these are the same.
Yeah.
So I should delete one of them. So all I have is I1 plus I2 minus I3 equals 0. And here I know that I3 equals 1 over 5 amps from this one. Well, that's good, but I still need another equation here. Any ideas? Yeah, and this one here, what you have, this is part of the reason I changed it, to make it a little easier. Because now that these two are the same, I can know that I1 equals I2, because these two are the same. So if I put that in here, I get 2I1 equals I3. So I1 equals 1 over 10 amps. And that means I2 is the same. So there you go. There's that one. And then there's that one. Okay, you got that? Yeah. Yes. Yep.
Yes.
Okay, can I go down? Okay. So if I look at number 3, let's make our equations. So the first one I have is the junction rule. I1 plus I2 minus 3 equals 0. You should have it drawn. Did you not draw it? I'll draw it. Ten E 8 6 5, and the current here is 3 amps. Oops. And then this one here is I1, and then this one here is I2. Right, so we have I1 plus I2 minus 3 equals 0. Let's make a loop going around this one. Or, no, let's make a big loop starting at 10. So I have 10 minus 3 times 5 minus 6I1 equals 0. I'm going around this way. Can you see with my pen? Sorry, let me put it in green. I'll go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. So here, if this is I1, it means this is all I1. It's all I1 until here, this is 3. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll go around the smaller one here. I'll go around this way now. So I get, starting at E minus 15 minus 8 I2 equals 0. Now this isn't as difficult as it looks, because here I can get I1. I1 equals, let me see, 10 minus 15 is minus 5, divided by 6 is minus 5 over 6. Yep. Then if I put that in here, I can get I2 is equal to 3 minus I1, which is 3 plus 5 over 6, which is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 over 6 from this one. And then I can put that in here to finally get the E. The voltage is 15 plus 8 I2. KJ, 15 plus 8 I2. You have it, Grace?
137/3.
I have the wrong
It seems to be
I2.
minus.
Oh, then that's a problem.
Yeah.
I got E to be minus.
Oh no, no, definitely should not be.
No, it's plus.
It's okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Big problem.
Yes, indeed. KJ is a big problem.
As a rule.
No, I mean.
Yes, as a rule. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Here, Angular is your next, last year's video.
Probably. Yes.
For this? For this?
Yeah.
For physics?
No.
For maths? Yes. Sometimes I replace the videos, and sometimes I just keep last year's videos.
I think physics always new.
The videos are new this year, yeah. What's wrong? You don't like last year?
No.
You prefer this year?
What's that?
Yes.
Okay. I'll try to remember to replace them. Okay, can I go on to the next one? The last one actually? Yeah. I hope you can see that these are actually good questions in the exam. Okay, so we have here 6 volts, 2, a 6, a 1.8, a 3, a 7, a 5, a 1.5, a 0.1, goodness, and then here, and we call this one here I2, up here is I3, and this way is I1. Now the first thing you should do is add these 3 together to make only 1, because they're all connected together. It's like it's just 1 here. So let me see, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1.8 is 6.8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, and then remove this one, and replace it with just 6.8.
6 looks minus 6.
Don't confuse me. Where's the minus 6?
No, the same.
Where's the minus 6?
It's up.
That looks like a minus 6. It so doesn't. Right. Okay, so now that we've made it a little bit simpler, we can make our equations. So, junction here, I3 plus I2 minus I1 equals 0, because I3 goes in, I2 goes in, and I1 comes out. That's I1 coming out, I2 going in, I3 going in. Now if I make my loop starting at the 6, 6 minus I1, 6 minus 6.8 I1 minus 7 I3 equals 0. That's my first loop in green, around this way. And then my second loop, I think I'll do it here, going around this way. So I'll get, let me see, 1.5 minus 5i2 plus 7i3 minus 0.1i2 equals 0. And the plus is here because you're going the wrong way in this loop. Okay,
You don't need the third.
no, this is enough. This is definitely enough. So let me just clean these up a little bit. So the first equation stays the same. The second equation, I can say 6 minus 6.8 I1 over 7 equals I3. And in the third equation, I can get I2 equals 5.1 over 1.5 plus 7i3.
Sorry, how did you get the 6.8?
Yeah, I don't know.
He added them.
The 6.8 here,
Yes.
there was 3 resistors which I combined.
The values of the 3.
Yeah.
Just could you say the values?
Oh wait, that resist.
It's meant to be 5, not 6.8.
No, it's 3 to 1.8.
No, I misread. Sorry,
0.2.
guys. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I misread it. That's my fault. In the question, this resistor here is 0.2, but I wrote it down as 2. So that means these three added together,
5.
yeah, it should be 5, and I have 5.8.
6.8.
So yeah, so this plus this plus this should have been 5. 0.2,
No.
1.8, and 3. So I'll just change the 6.8s to 5. So here, this should be a 5, which means down here, this one is a 5,
Yeah.
which changes this one to a 5. Now, does that change this one? No, just here, is it? Okay, that's not so bad. Right, now let's put these equations into the first one. This one goes in, and this one, come on, you can do it.
No.
Well, I can do it, just give it a second. Yeah, oh, there we go. That goes in as well. So let me see, I have I3 plus I2 minus, oh wait, hang on. No, that's wrong. No, this won't help,
No,
because it'll be an I1 and an I3.
yeah.
So how can I solve this one? I1, I3. I'm going to write these out again, but just put them on top of each other in order. And also, I find I1, I2, I3, it can make things a little messy, so I'm just going to say x equals I1, y equals I2, and z equals I3. Okay, so let's look at the first one. The first one is minus x plus y plus z equals 0. Is that okay? Yep. Alright, let's look at the second one here, which was this. That is minus 5x minus 7z equals minus 6. So I can say 5x plus 7z equals 6. And then the last one here, where's my, no I1s, just I2s,
Yeah.
yeah, so minus
4.9, no, 5.1.
5.1 y
Yeah.
plus 7z
Yeah.
equals minus
1.5.
1.5. Okay, so here I have minus x plus y plus z equals 0. Here I have 5x plus 7z equals 6. And here I have 5.1y minus 7z equals 1.5. Okay, so this is,
Minus 1.5.
I multiplied everything by minus 1. Alright. Okay, any ideas? Let's see. I could put the first two together to get, oh yeah, I could put the first two together to get y and z. Look, I could get y and z here, and then this is y and z. So what should I multiply the first one by? By 5. So this will be 5, 5, and 5. So when I add these two together, I'll get 5y plus 12z equals 6. And here I have 5.1y minus 7z equals 1.5. So I'll multiply this one by 7 and this one here by 12. Okay, so what's that? 35y plus 84. Z equals 42. And then this one here is 60 plus 61.2, is it? Can someone check that, please? Is that 61.2?
Yeah.
Minus 84z equals 18. Add them together. So that's 96.2y equals 42, 52, 60. At long last I have my y. 60 over 96.2, what's that? 0.624 amps. So that's I2 actually, yeah, let me write that in. Now, what can I get next? I can get, if I put this in here, or anywhere actually, I can get I3. KJ, can you put this answer into this one to give me I3, please? The Z. You know y is 0.624. And then I'll be able to get I1 once I have these two.
0.156.
Thank you. And Grace, can you take this?
I got 0.24. I used exact value.
So 6.
0.24? Is it KJ? 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 KJ?
See, this was the early answer.
Yeah, give me.
And just go down and just go down,
No, I'll do it
Yeah,
exactly.
0.24.
I don't trust anybody anymore. I'll do it myself here. 5, 12 minus 6, 5.1 minus 7, 1.5. So the first answer is minus 0.25.
No.
Must be my mistake then.
That's
53, no, 54, 51, 5, 12, 6, 5.1, minus 7, 1.5. Sorry, yeah. First answer 0.624, yes. Second answer 0.24. Yep. Okay, that seems good. So then I1 I can get from here. It's actually just y plus z. 0.624 plus 0.24. 0.86. Yeah, 864. Great. So there are 3 answers then.